Changing your phone number on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Go to the eBay website and enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on My eBay at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access personal information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit phone number. Locate the phone number field within the personal information section. Click on the Edit button next to your current phone number to make changes. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, ensure you save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Now you have successfully changed your phone number on eBay. Make sure to check that all your contact details are accurate for future communications.